Hi guys, today I have another product for you. Today's product is the Osaka Vacuum Sealing Stainless Steel Canister. Here it is right here. I believe this is the, let me go ahead and check the box here. This is the 16.9 ounce container I was given to review. It's a nice thick, heavy-duty stainless steel, so it doesn't bend or warp or anything. You can use these containers for coffee, tea, hot cocoa to store, sugar if you wanted to, flour, pretty much anything you want to keep vacuum sealed so it stays fresh and nothing gets in there to tamper with it. It's really easy to use. This is the lid. It has a nice rubber seal on it. That's what it looks like. You just put it down over your container, it says here, and there's instructions on the side of the box with pictures, so it's, they put it right there on the box, making it easy in case you don't know how to use it. You just pump this down a couple times, and this little thing here pops up and telling you it's vacuum sealed, and then you can also push this down and twist it, and it locks the pump. So now this is vacuum sealed. It'll stay nice and fresh. Nothing can get in there. It's really, tight. Nothing is going to get in there. Not air, not liquid, not anything. Not bugs, nothing like that. These containers are really strong and sturdy. Like I said, they are stainless steel, so they pretty much go with any kitchen decor. I have stainless steel appliances, so these would look great with my stove and fridge. These are available on Amazon.com. They are the Osaka vacuum sealing containers. They offer other sizes besides this, bigger and smaller, so take your pick. I will go ahead and put a link to purchase down in the description box, as well as a link to my review. I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later. Goodbye.